Jamaicans can be so pretentious.
I know for sure that the place that Zoe was staying, a lot of those people who were commenting about, oh my God, it's so disgusting. And so I know for a fact that they probably have a family member or a friend or someone who is living like that. That's somebody's real home. And then for you to get on the internet and act like, oh my God, that's so nasty. That's so disgusting. I would never. It's like, get a grip.
I saw this debate one time about like I think somebody had showed that they're earning $200,000 a month, and then everybody was just in like, oh, $200,000. That's so little. What is that? Oh my God, how do you survive? But only 10% of Jamaicans are actually earning over $100,000. I think I saw, or 150. I can't remember the exact figures. So if only 10% of the population is earning on $150,000, then why are you guys behaving like this? Why is everybody so rich? That may I try to figure out. Oh, why
the
when everybody becomes so
poverty.
rich? The poverty.
It makes us compete over really dumb stuff like having a gym membership.